Hello friends, welcome to Chess Circle Academy. In today's chess, we are going to look at a old trap is based around a move order trick in the opening, and this trap scores very highly. Two great world champions, Lasker and Alekhine, played it with success. In this game, we will see this move order trick in Caro-Kann defense. Let's see the game.
For chess promotion, like and subscribe Chess Circle Academy.
White e4, black responds c6, white move the knight on c3, black move the pawn on d5, white bring the knight on f3, black d takes e4, white knight takes e4, black move the bishop on f5, white move the knight on g3, black move the bishop on g6. Here is d4 replaced by knight on f3. This is the standard reply in main line. As you can see that the difficulty of black, what he thinks is the right move. White move the pawn h4. This is the threat to trapping the bishop. Black h6, create a safety square for bishop. White move the knight on e5. Black move the bishop on h7. This bishop gets out of the way. White move the queen on h5, the good move. The prospect of checkmate on f7 forces black to compromise his pawn structure. Black move the pawn on g6. White move the queen on f3. Once again the threat of checkmate. Black move the knight on f6. This is the mistake in difficult position. To prolong the game, black can play pawn on f6. White move the queen on b3. The twin threats to f7 and b7. White gets the big advantage. Black move the queen on d5. Black is trying to escape from defeat, but it is very difficult. White move the queen on b7. Black queen into e5 check. White bishop on e2. Black move the king on d8. In this position, black has very little hope. White queen takes a8. Black queen on c7. White move the pawn on a4. Black bishop on g7. White move the rook on a3. Black move the f knight on d7. White forward the pawn on a5. Black e6. White rook on b3. Black move the king on e7. White move the queen on b7. Black queen takes a5. White move the rook on a3. Black queen e5. White c3. Black a5. White castle. Black move the pawn on g5. White d4. Black move the queen on d6. White move the knight on h5. Black move the rook on g8. White h takes g5. Black h takes g5. White bishop into g5. Black f6. White bishop on f4. Black move the queen on d5. White c4. Black moved the queen on f5. White moved the rook on g3. Black moved the bishop on g6. White moved the bishop on g4. And finally, checkmate.
I hope you liked this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe Chess Circle Academy.